This is the easiest and most delicious dessert I've ever made. You'll want to make it every week. Let's start by pouring 395 grams of condensed milk into a container. Then add the juice of half a lemon. Zest of 1 lemon. Mix well. Take the time to let me know which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add 400 grams of cream. Let's mix it all together again. This dessert is incredibly tasty. Make it at home and come back and let us know what you think. Now I'm going to assemble a layer of this cream in a bowl. Next, I'll dip some milk cookies in 50 milliliters of milk. I used 50 grams of milk cookies for this recipe. And so I assemble the other layer with the cookies. Then I add another layer of cream. And I repeat this process until all the cream is used up. I'm going to melt 200 grams of white chocolate in 200 grams of cream. You can melt it in the microwave or in a bain-marie. Now that the chocolate is melted, let's put it on top of our dessert. Refrigerate for 4 hours. Our dessert is ready. I'll finish it off by adding the zest of a lemon. My rating for this dessert is a 10. The easiest and quickest I've ever made. Let me know how you rate this recipe from 0 to 10. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.